Hello, we have some Jupyter notebook updates. I'll show you how can we create a new notebook. Here it is. We created a new notebook. Let's create a few cells. It's a markdown cell, and here's a code cell. We write our code like this. We save it as like IC new test. Saved, and now we can go to business process and open it like this, and you can see it's it became ensemble business process, a BPL process with community PythonGateway. We can add some new activities. For example, we copy paste our cells, and yeah, here is something new. Something simple. We save it, and it's immediately seen here. As soon as we refresh a page, we can also delete individual activities. And they're also deleted from business process. And finally, if we want to, we can delete the process altogether. And yeah, it won't be available because we just deleted it. So yeah, now we can create new business process, edit them completely, and delete them, everything from Jupyter notebook. There is also a README page, we have added automatic installation instructions. You just need to agree to the defaults right here. For host port namespace, you need probably to specify user system, this, yeah, and you need to specify a directory. It must be directory with ML toolkit, ML contents manager Py. In my case, it's inside PythonGateway repository, so you can just clone the release, and you'll get it. Yeah, everything works fine, and now we have our instructions. You need to open this directory in command prompt. PowerShell. In my case, for Linux, it would be Linux bash. You type Jupyter notebook, and you get it running. That's a small update.